So when the turkey vultures fly over the cop shop, they are protecting, and they're also healing vibrations. And as you see, the turkey vultures flying around the police department. He clears the energy also of negative things. And then he goes back over here and puts things where they go. Spiritually, that is. Animals and entities can work together as one with no problem, protecting humans. And that is the point of turkey vultures and Anubis working together to protecting my bestie brothers, law enforcement, friends, and family. He goes all the way back over to the bridge.